So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add emojis to a design here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I want you to go to the left hand side and press on Elements. Once you're here, I want you to go all the way down. There's a bunch of different icons right here that you can use. You can also go to the top right here where it says Icons and simply go ahead and press on that. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and add a bunch of different emojis that you're looking to add. That's one way you guys can do it. Another way you guys can do it as well is not basic shapes. You can go to illustrations, do the exact same thing. But basically, this is how you guys can do it. So you guys can scroll down, view a bunch of different emojis right here. So emojis, you can go ahead and press on see all. If you wanted to add maybe the laughing face, you can go ahead and add that. If you want to add the shocked face, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to add maybe a sad face, whatever the case may be, you can also get creative as well and change. So if you want the tears to maybe be green, if you want maybe the smile to be light blue, whatever the case may be, you can play around with it this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add emojis to your design here in Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.